So I was editing a video to put out, and it's actually of a trip that we did, and I totally got sidetracked, and I shouldn't have let myself do it. And if I did, I had like this childhood flashback, and it just kept sticking in my mind. It's like, man, I'm going a different direction. I'm just gonna mess with this for the next hour and a half or 2 hours of my life just to do it, and it's just silliness, just plain silliness. I shouldn't even put this out, but I'm just gonna put it out because I wasted 2 hours of my life on it, or whatever it was. So just, it is what it is. If you know the location, leave a comment. That'd be kind of cool. If you know the movie I'm referencing, you leave a comment. No comments on acting or any of that kind of stuff. Not acceptable. Just, I can't believe I'm doing this. A hurricane blowing. Not a speck of light is showing, so the danger must be growing. Are the fires of hell glowing? Is the grisly reaper mowing? Yes, the danger must be growing, for the rowers keep on rowing, and they're certainly not showing any signs of slowing.
Takes on added significance.